Elon Musk is known for making crypto space going crazy, and BlackRock is no different. But something that no one was expecting is that they can team up together. They are the biggest hype drivers for this crypto run, and today, something huge happened. Shiba Inu is running like crazy. The charts are lying, trying to make it look like it's boring and nothing happened. But this is a wild trap. Don't fall for it, and pay attention as this is a very important time to be in space. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. This is such a crazy day. At first, it all started with BlackRock, and now we all know BlackRock is no stranger to big moves. But what happened with their iShares Bitcoin Trust is on a whole different level. They've recorded a staggering $329 million worth of inflows in just one day. That's wild, but it gets even better. Over the last 6 trading days, BlackRock has brought in a mind-blowing $2 billion. This makes their Bitcoin ETF one of the most successful product launches of the year, hands down. Since January, they've attracted a total of $23 billion in inflows, cementing themselves as a dominant player in the ETF space. But what's really interesting here is how this Bitcoin buying frenzy is playing out against the backdrop of Shiba Inu's potential growth. Bitcoin ETFs are essentially pouring fuel into the fire, and we're already seeing the effects ripple across the market. In addition to that, we were just celebrating a huge event that happened exactly 6 years ago. Back in 2018, Elon Musk asked his 23 million followers whether they wanted to buy Bitcoin, which at the time was a pretty unexpected move. He even posted a picture of an anime-style character wearing a Bitcoin dress. It stirred so much buzz that people speculated whether his account was hacked, especially since his Twitter got temporarily locked after that. This was actually his very first mention of the social media platform that he ended up buying years later. And here we are now in a completely different crypto landscape. For Shiba Inu, this matters. Musk has the ability to draw attention back to the crypto space, and with Bitcoin's momentum climbing again, it can help push other coins, including Shiba Inu, higher. When big names like Musk and institutions like BlackRock are moving in sync, the entire market benefits. The timing couldn't be better for Shiba Inu, as institutional and celebrity influence can create the perfect storm for another all-time high. So everything started to make sense as to why everything was growing. But then, all of a sudden, the situation changed. Prices started dropping and crashing. Just when things seemed to be on a steady rise, with Bitcoin leading the charge and pulling the entire market, we were hit with a shockwave. The momentum that had been driving prices up suddenly reversed. It's crazy how fast the tide can turn in crypto. One minute we're seeing massive growth, and the next prices are slipping. And this shift wasn't just a random market fluctuation. It was directly tied to some key moves in the ETF space. Crypto Rover broke the news in a tweet, revealing that spot Bitcoin ETFs saw a staggering $80 million outflow in a single day. That's significant. When ETFs start seeing outflows like this, it signals that institutional investors are pulling back, and that can have a ripple effect across the market. The Shiba Inu was declining in price too, but investors were trying to stay strong. Even though we've seen Shiba Inu's price dip alongside the broader market correction, there's an exciting development happening beneath the surface. It's easy to panic when prices start slipping, but most investors and traders are standing firm. In fact, many are doubling down on their belief in Shiba Inu's future. CryptoQuant's data shows that whales have been snapping up Shiba Inu tokens during this dip, which is a huge signal for what could come next. Just recently, whales withdrew a massive 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from centralized exchanges, worth about $22 million. This kind of movement is a big deal because when whales buy like this, they're usually preparing for something major. These large withdrawals suggest that investors are moving their Shiba Inu into private wallets, signaling a long-term holding trend. This is a bullish sign for Shiba Inu because when coins are taken off exchanges, it often reduces the selling pressure and can create a foundation for price recovery. With whales holding onto their tokens, they're essentially preventing the price from dropping further, and this could help set the stage for Shiba Inu's next upward phase. What's interesting is that Shiba Inu's trading volume has dropped as well. But if we zoom out, Shiba Inu is still up nearly 25% over the last 30 days. This broader trend shows that despite the recent dip, the outlook remains positive, and we could see more gains on the horizon. The fact that investors, especially the big players, are sticking with Shiba Inu through this dip shows the strength and belief in its potential. So while the price action might seem shaky, the groundwork for a recovery is being laid, and Shiba Inu could very well bounce back stronger than ever. What sparked this sudden surge of interest among Shiba Inu investors is truly unexpected and clever. If you've been following internet trends, you already know the recent hype with Donald Trump and McDonald's. In an unexpected turn of events, former President Donald Trump made an unconventional campaign stop at a McDonald's drive-thru, and what might seem like an ordinary moment turned into a huge opportunity for the Shiba Inu community. As soon as this moment hit social media, Shiba Inu enthusiasts wasted no time flexing their creativity. They started using clever wordplay and memes, drawing attention to Shiba Inu's cryptocurrency tokens in a way that only this community can pull off. This kind of interest among Shiba Inu investors isn't just about the usual market moves. It's deeply tied to how the community rallies around cultural moments. When one of the ecosystem's members, using the pseudonym Maximus Shibarium, posted, "I prefer my meat with bone," it was more than just a joke. It was a clever shout-out to Bone, one of the tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and a perfect example of how the community blends humor with meaningful promotion. Even Shiba Inu's top developer, Kyle Daria, got in on the action with his post. "Imagine President Trump at McDonald's. Here's your order, and don't worry, we're making America great again, one Shiba at a time." His post stirred excitement, especially with Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, chiming in, making the interaction feel like more than just a passing joke. It strengthened the sense of unity and fun within the community. But here's where things get even more interesting. This surge of meme activity comes on the heels of Shiba Inu's announcement of a new partnership with Mass, a financial solutions company. Together, they plan to develop the finance layer for Shiba State, which is part of Shiba Inu's larger push to evolve from being seen just as a meme coin into a legitimate blockchain project with a complex financial system. This blend of meme culture and serious development is what keeps Shiba Inu unique. While the memes keep the brand playful and accessible, the partnerships and ecosystem growth show that Shiba Inu is aiming to be much more than just a fun token. The community's ability to balance both worlds, humor and serious innovation, is what keeps it thriving. And despite a slight dip in price today, all these efforts are paving the way for a clearer path to new highs, with analysts weighing in on Shiba Inu's next move. According to crypto analyst Javan Marks, Shiba Inu's journey toward reaching new highs is still on track, even with the recent market slowdown. Despite the dip, Marks remains confident, asserting that Shiba Inu is poised for a huge surge. He points to key bullish patterns and hidden indicators, which signal an upward breakout that could push Shiba Inu up by a staggering 348%, bringing its price close to its all-time high. Marks believes that this consolidation phase is just the beginning of a much larger move. There are mixed opinions, however. While Marks is bullish, other analysts like Swallow Premium suggest that Shiba Inu might face challenges with resistance at the 402 level, which could lead to a slight downturn. On the flip side, market commentators like Jack expect Shiba Inu to break through this resistance and continue climbing. What really matters here is the general consensus that Shiba Inu has entered an important phase. Whether it's a short-term dip or a more sustained rally, this moment is critical in setting the stage for what comes next. As long as the broader market sentiment remains optimistic and these structural patterns hold, there's potential for Shiba Inu to keep moving upward, closer to its past peaks. But what do you think about this? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.